Good day, beloved people. We have another $50 Forex no deposit bonus offered by this broker here. We have the terms and conditions on the document right here. I'm just going to give you a few information that you need to know about the Forex no deposit bonus of $50, which is tradable. As you can see here, the broker we have for today is right here. I'm going to give you the information that you need, but as you can see, the information about the promotion is not available on their website, on their broker website here. So it's only available on the document provided and other websites too. So before we go further, if you need a daily trading broker, you can use XM. It's one of my best recommended broker I use. The link is down in the video description. I use XM for trading daily. They also have $30 for no deposit bonus for new client, but if you are already part of this, they have the best free analysis. They have 24/7 support, live support here. They have personal account managers for you. Everyone have his or personal account manager who can attend to your problems and everything. They offer high competitive bonuses. They offer bonuses every day and every month. They offer a lot of stuff that you may want to start using this platform, and they have all the analysis here, the predictions and everything that you want to just know in Forex. So before we go further, guys, you can also check their awards, their best winning broker right here, and I trust them. That's why I'm recommending them. I have the link down in the description because it's the broker I use to trade every day. So let's get started with our $50 Forex no deposit bonus offered by this broker. Is called Onequity or Onequity, probably is Onequity right here. And the broker, I like the broker because of the informations that they have provided, and the interface of the website looks so good for me. And when I made few researches, I found few information that may be useful on choosing this Forex no deposit bonus. So let's just get started. As you can see here, the document I have here is written on equity, the no deposit bonus, trading bonus, the terms and condition. And as you can see, this document is from the FX Zone website, because that's where they post their promotion. I'm not gonna read everything for you guys because some of these terms and conditions are irrelevant. So we're just going to spot out a few information that may be necessary needed for us who wanna get this $50 no deposit bonus from this broker. As you can see here, the no deposit bonus trading broker is given by this Onequity.com, the brand name of Merit Fox Investment, which is registered in Seychelles, security dealer, licensed, authorized and regulated by Seychelles Financial Services Authority, FCA, under a license number. They gave their license number A, and the registration number is given right here. So they are saying by opening this promotion account, you already accept the terms and condition of the broker and its company. This company, the promotion is available for IBs and all clients, excluding MAM or PAMM accounts, provided they are eligible to participate in the promotions subject to the company's eligibility. So as you can see right here, we have participating. The promotion client should have already completed the steps, which is verifying your account by providing the documents to get the account activated, and that's all so far. So let's dive deeper. So you can see here, the company suspect an abuse of using these terms and conditions or these promotions, or they may remove the $50 account from you, resulting in either multiple registrations or using the same IP address as somebody else. So you should not use same IP address, or you should not register twice. You should not claim this bonus twice, otherwise it may result in this bonus being revoked from you. As you can see right here, if you no longer wish to trade account with this bonus, you can just message them or email them on support@onequity.com. that's their support email right here. So you can email them right here that no, I don't want to trade anymore, and they will revoke that trading account from you. As you can see, conditions of eligibility, so subject to without prejudice to all the terms and use available in Onequity clients. So let's see if we can get anything useful right here. I already went through few of the information right here, but I cannot spot exactly where I read everything. So promotion may be offered by Onequity from time to time. So clients who maybe join through social medias or other websites where they have posted this are all eligible. As you can see here, Onequity is reasonable discretion offer promotion to any clients or countries, regions as deems appropriate and for as long as Onequity deems to provide it. So you have to be more than 18 years to receive that legal age. So let's see, you can also use the same IP address. We already talked about this here, and you should not family members such as brothers, sisters, spouses, ancestors, lineal descendants, and collateral descendants. So you should not only one person in the family should receive this $50 forex no deposit bonus from this broker here. So going down, we just want to read the terms and conditions that really applies to what we are looking for. As you can see right here, eligible clients who meet the criteria set forth here and are able to receive a trading bonus equal to $50, which is $50 or equivalent of a no deposit trading bonus. In order to activate and credit trading account with no deposit bonus, so as you can see, this promotion applies only to new clients of Onequity, only new clients. Only if you have been on the broker for a while, you don't need to claim for this. It's only for new clients. And as you can see, clients permitted to hold only one promotion per account per one unique IP address, and multiple registration or IP address not permitted, or no multiple promotion account registered on the same personal details. Profits from trading promotion account may be withdrawn or transferred anytime made from forex instrument, provided that the minimum amount of withdrawal or transfer is 100, that's the minimum only, or equivalent, and the trading volume is the relevant real trading account reaches at least 5 lots on forex space. What they are saying here, the minimum of $100 can be transferred or withdrawn as long as you have met the 5 lots standard lots trading requirements. Any profit generated from trading promotion account are available for withdrawal as per withdrawal procedure. So basically what they are saying here, as long as the amount is more than $100 and you've traded more than 5 lots, then you can withdraw all the profits that you made. So they have not talked about a limitation on how much we can withdraw on this bonus here. The promotion applied to real accounts or eligible clients in accordance with the rules set forth, cannot be transferred between live trading accounts with Onequity. So let's read the terms, the general terms and conditions provided here. As you can see, it may take up 24 hours for the promotion to be added to your account if you're eligible, and the promotions applies to all clients who open a real account with Onequity in accordance with the rules set here, and granted trading bonus may be used to trading purposes only and cannot be withdrawn. So we cannot withdraw the bonus of 50 USD, we can only withdraw the profit that we have made, and when withdraw or transfer funds from any eligible client's real account with Onequity with cost to the removal of previous awarded bonuses. So if you made an attempt to withdraw all the bonuses that you have been credited with, they will be removed right away. So basically it's not much difficult to understand right here. As you can see, they have long terms and conditions, but we don't need to read everything right here. As you can see here, one partner commission are paid for trading on trading bonus funds. So you can see no partners commissions are paid if you want to be an IB. So this one won't benefit you. As you can see here, guys, there's not much information provided as here. I think I will drop this one on our Telegram channel. I'll drop this one on our Telegram channel, so you can join our Telegram channel. The link will be also down in the description of our video. So if there is any other question that you want to ask, you may just drop the question down in the description, I mean on the section, on the comment section. And so far everything is going well, so thank you guys for watching one of my video. So if you think this is great, just help us like this video and also help us subscribe if you are new. So see you again on the next video.